Hi friends, this is Excel Guru Rajnikant, and this query asked by in a group. Actually, this query already I posted in groups, but one of the group members solved this with another very big formula. So I like to show you the simple way, very simple way, right? So here is the solution for that. So first of all, what you will do, you will take a mid function, very simple formula, very simple formula. Mid of this comma, starting from here, and take the number of characters will be length. Okay, this one. All right, it's very simple. Just observe, guys, what I'm doing here. First of all, I'm taking the text Latin starting number from 5, and I need from 5, I need each and every character from 5. From 5, I need each and every character, right? So here I press enter. So from 5, it will pick up all the characters from 5. Okay, now here is the logic you have to follow. It's very simple, easy, right? So what I'll do here, I will find the space F2. I'll find the space here, the position, then wait, the space is there. Okay, space. In this text, I'm finding the space. Okay, so it will show you the sixth. Okay, Control Z and come back to here, close, enter. Right, double click, again double click. Okay, now here, done. Now, what I'll do is again I use the same formula which I have done, that is mid of this comma starting number this comma, and the solution is done. And the solution is done. See, let me check, is there any extra spaces are there? We have to check it. If it is extra spaces, you can use a trim function. So let's check it out. Okay, length of length of this, the desired output, comma, the length of formula just now we did. Okay, sorry, the length of this. First we will take that one, and again I'll pick up that one. Length of this, the formula which we did, because it may be have some extra spaces. See, 6, right? Understood? So it has given 6. Okay, see. So simply use a trim function over here. F2, not here. The formula which we have done here, F2, trim off, whole thing. Enter. Because extra space has been taken. Now see. Now observe here. Done. It's very easy, guys. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. And please like, share, and subscribe. And this is a very important question which I have asked earlier in some group. Right. Thank you, guys. Thanks for your support. Please share and subscribe. For this video, I'm expecting minimum 100 views with 50% of likes.